Time now for an update from Fox Carolina News and Fox Carolina Weather. Weather rates certified most accurate.
Good Sunday evening. I'm meteorologist Bob Trihy. We're looking at a very active weather night. A potent storm system headed our way could bring us severe weather, but certainly cold air and snow, and maybe a lot of it into the mountains. Let's start with the severe risk as we go through the overnight. There is a slight chance of seeing severe weather down across our southern counties, maybe around Lawrence into the Greenwood area. Could see a chance of damaging winds, maybe a few isolated tornadoes as we're watching a system coming right up the I-85 corridor, and a marginal risk closer to the I-85 corridor near Greenville and Spartanburg. And as we get into the colder air, it looks like the mountains are finally going to get some winter, some snow, and maybe a lot of it, maybe up to a foot across some of the higher peaks where we have a winter storm warning from Franklin to Bryson City to Burnsville, and also a winter weather advisory farther to the south into the Hendersonville area, right along the state line and back into northeast Georgia. Could see a dusting, a couple inches of snow there as we go into the morning hours. We'll be watching this system coming our way tonight. Scattered showers become heavy and steady, and it's that midnight till 4 a.m. time period I am concerned about for the potential of severe weather as the system is coming right up I-85 right into the upstate with the heavy rain, that potential for tornadoes and maybe some hail and gusty winds too. And we're looking at the rain changing to snow into the mountains, and it could be a lot of snow as we go into Monday morning across the higher elevations. 6 a.m. still snowing in Asheville, cold rain in Greenville, but farther north maybe TR and the northern upstate certainly seeing some snowflakes as we go into tomorrow morning. You can see how temperatures plunge through the overnight, through the 50s into the 40s. So we get the storms and then a cold rain, and for the mountains you transition from rain to snow, and look at that temperature by early tomorrow morning into the low 30s. And this is going to be a big shock to the system tomorrow. Upstate 8 a.m. some flurries, 38. We start to clear it out, but very cold, highs only into the mid 40s. And for the mountains, 8 a.m. 28, and then only lower 30s for you, as I think we'll be shoveling some snow into the mountains. For continuing coverage, make sure you check out the following newscast. You can also find us on the Fox Carolina News app, Facebook, and YouTube as well. Have a great night.